In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and remove attachments from records in HubSpot. Whether you're working with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, attaching files properly keeps your CRM organized and makes collaboration with your team much easier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload attachments in multiple ways and how to delete them if you ever need to clean things up. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials, just like this. Let's get started. The first step is to open the record where you want to add the attachment. Log into your HubSpot account, then go to your main navigation menu. From there, click on Contacts, Companies, Deals, or Tickets, depending on where your record is located. Once you're inside the correct section, click on the specific record you want to work with. This will open the full record view where you can see all the details and activity history associated with that item. Next, scroll down to the activity timeline. The activity timeline is where all logged actions related to that record appear, including emails, calls, notes, tasks, and attachments. This is the central place where you'll be adding your file. Make sure you're in the correct tab if you're using filtered activity views, so you can clearly see the options available. Now, to add an attachment, click on the attachment icon within the activity options. You'll typically see this icon when you're creating a new note, logging an activity, or adding information to the timeline. Once you click the attachment icon, HubSpot will give you a few different upload options. You can upload a file directly from your computer by selecting the upload option and choosing the file from your local storage. This is the most common method if the file is saved on your device. You can also choose a file from the HubSpot File Manager. This is useful if the document has already been uploaded into HubSpot previously and you don't want to upload it again. Another quick option is to simply drag and drop the file from your computer directly into the attachment area. HubSpot will automatically upload and attach it to the activity. After selecting your file using any of these methods, complete the activity if needed, such as adding a note, and then save it. Your attachment will now appear in the activity timeline linked to that specific record. Now let's talk about how to remove an attachment if you need to. Start by finding the activity in the activity timeline that contains the file you previously uploaded. Scroll through the timeline until you see the correct entry. Once you've located it, click on the Actions menu associated with that activity. In the drop-down menu, you'll see options such as Delete Attachment or Delete Activity. If you only want to remove the file but keep the note or activity itself, click Delete Attachment. If you want to remove the entire entry, including the file, choose Delete Activity instead. Confirm your selection when prompted, and the attachment will be removed from the record. And that's it. That's how you add and remove attachments from records in HubSpot. Keeping your records updated with the right documents can dramatically improve communication and organization across your team. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.